Guys, Vern, jack of all trade, master of none. Today we're going to show you how to clean that windshield streak free. So as you can see here, guys, we're using Palmolive dish soap. Here's your glass of 6 ounces of warm water. We're using 70% isopropyl alcohol. You can use this or any type of rubbing alcohol. And then I've got my long towel to go across the dashboard, and 2 additional towels, hand towels or face towels for your final touch. Okay, this is all it's going to take to get that interior windshield spotless. So we add about 1 teaspoon of the Palmolive and also 1 teaspoon of alcohol into the glass. So we're gonna run that towel across your windshield. We're gonna dip that. We're gonna dip that towel, that rag, into the solution. Get it all soaked, and then squeeze it out as much as you can. I'm gonna take it off camera. Okay, now I'm gonna rub the inside of that windshield and get everything. And it just glides across your windshield, nice and smooth. Be sure to get all the areas. All right, and that stuff just happens to smell good. You can give it the once over. Again, make sure you cover every area. Okay, once you're done with that, now we can take that same towel and just try and soak everything up off of that windshield as much as you can. Okay. Just get as much as you can. And then finally, come back with your other towel and get all the residue that was left behind, and you'll see that there's not much of anything, because the solution, wow, the solution has already done all the work for you. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. There's another part to this, which is go ahead and do the same thing on the outside, because the outside. anywhere that I see any. Once I finish wiping down the window, that's it. Window is clean and good to go. I did do a drive around, but for some reason I forgot to add that footage, guys. But yeah, this will do a fantastic job on your windshield. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video. If you enjoyed the video, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.